Okay.
Hi, today I'm going to introduce to you our concrete bucket with remote control system. Over here, this is the hydraulic system. It's operated by a 2-inch piston with about a 7-inch stroke. First, we have to cut this open. This is open. Open, on, off. Okay, just now it was closed, now it's open. And then we press the green color button where you'll see a green light flashing and you can start. It's opening. Okay, you should stop once it reaches the maximum and closing. When it reaches the maximum, you stop. And you release when it's fully closed. So apart from the remote control, it also comes with a manual on-off button. Right here with wires. It's the same, opening and close. Okay, this is the manual one where you have to operate from a near distance. When you're done, you have to push the stop button where you see a red light. So after you stop it, it would not be responsive anymore. It's fully closed. And don't forget to switch off your button at the end of the day, so the battery will not run. So it runs on a 2 units of 12 watts, so it's a 24 watts battery system.